Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to show you just how to remove your oil fill cap on your BMW. Now, if you ever had oil leaking from the cap, of course, this rubber O-ring seal is going to wear it over time. And granted, just with age of any BMW part in general, the rubber, the plastic, all that, it just deteriorates, it just wears out over time. Nothing lasts forever. They're very inexpensive and they're very easy to replace. Now, a lot of people show this process, but there is a specific process on how to remove these from your valve cover. Now, when I did the valve cover DIY, it was a great time to go ahead and remove this one and replace it with a new one. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'll post that video up here at the top. Definitely check out that DIY on how to remove your valve cover gasket. It is a little extensive as far as the time that you may need. It's going to save you that money so you can put it back in your pocket.
So what you want to do is, you could do this on the car. You don't have to take off the valve cover. So just like as you normally would when you twist it to turn it to open it, if you look right here, you're going to see an arrow. And there's also a corresponding arrow right here. So when you're turning it and locking it, so this would be in the lock position, right? Obviously the arrows are on the other sides. So all you have to do to be able to remove it is match up these arrows, just like so. It'll like stop right where the arrow is. Take a flathead screwdriver. With the arrows lined up, you just want to keep prying, and then it'll pop right off. So it's connected like that, down on the hook. So once it's on there, have the arrows meet up. And like I said, you could do it with it on the car, or if you have the valve cover off and you're doing the DIY on the valve cover change, then you'll be able to do it just like that.
Well guys, there you have it, the simple, easy process on how to replace your oil fill cap on your BMW. Now, just like with anything else, I source my oil fill cap through fcphero.com just so I get that lifetime replacement guarantee. I'll post the links down in the description box below. Well guys, thanks for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Take care.